are going to show you Teatro Olimpico, located in the city of Vicenza. This is located in our city. If you want to see Teatro Olimpico, you need to buy a ticket of €11 per person. If you want to visit the theatre, museum and two other places, a ticket costs €15 and is valid for 8 days. Otherwise, if you are coming as a family, the ticket is €25, like 2 adults and 2 children. It was designed by Andrea Palladio in 1580. Who is Andrea Palladio? He was the most important architect of the Venetian Republic. He lived in Vicenza. Palladio influenced by Roman and Greek architecture. On March 3, 1585, the first permanent theatre in modern history was officially opened by Sophocles with the performance of Oedipus Tyrannus, an event that was a great success in the annals of the time. This is a model of the clothes used for Greek plays at that time. These clothes were used for plays like Antigone, Oedipus and Trojan Woman. Another image created with 3D technology. Look slowly. You can see the shadow of that image. Okay, now let's see what designs look like inside the platform. This is the model inside the theatre. This hall had the capacity to seat about 400 at a time. The special thing is that even today you can come to see the performance of this theatre. This stage is a Roman stage inspired by the Greek stage. The Olimpico was not a theatre built anew. Palladio designed his Roman-inspired auditorium inside an abandoned fortress. Refreshing and exciting buildings focused the architecture to adjust his plans. As a result, and unlike Roman theatre, Palladio's sitting area from an elliptical curve rather than a semicircle. What you see in front of is the 3D technology doors for the actor to come on stage. This diagram will make it more clear to you. Modern proscenium stage lighting is done on front of the stage. But this theatre, the lighting is done on both sides of the stage. It is a specialty of this theatre. Another fact is that the depth of the picture in this background design has become a reason for increasing the tourist attraction. A special Feature of the Olimpico is the series of beautifully crafted plaster statues featuring portraits of members of the Olimpico. It depicts the theater's founders. Between the cities of Venice and Verona in northern Italy is the small town of Vicenza, one of its most famous neighboring towns. Vicenza is important in terms of history, culture, and especially architecture. In 1994, Vicenza was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to the buildings designed by renowned architect Andrea Palladio. But in my opinion, no place shows the beauty of the city better than its central plaza, the Piazza dei Signori. This is the Museum of Jewellery in Vicenza, the first and only museum dedicated to the goldsmith art. The architecture of the city of Vicenza is inspired by Venetian Gothic architecture. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Love you all. Ciao tutti.